Alright guys, it's kind of windy. I'm down in my trunk right now trying to get away from some of the wind noise. But if y'all follow me on Instagram, if y'all don't, it's horseplay_motoring. I got some Konis shocks, rear shocks from the junkyard. It's been spray painted over black, and I just seen some orange hanging out, went and looked at them. They ended up being Konis. They ended up being in great shape. So I snagged them for 16 bucks. Now I wanted to show y'all, you can undo this from the top side and undo it from down at the bottom and drop it out. You don't have to have your car on jack stands. And my car's not lifted at all. I just did all that. And then when you put it back through, you're going to put something underneath it, maybe a jack or something, and lift it up to the point where you can put the bolt through. But what I wanted to show y'all is, see how these bushings right here have the, I don't know what you would call that, the rays in them right there. That fits perfectly in the strut hole, where the old ones have this cone that fits up in there. These actually work a lot better, and these are actually urethane mounts that I have. I accidentally pinched it, not paying attention, but it's still a very strong urethane mount here, versus this old brittle rubber one that it was. I could actually grab the shock and move it back and forth, and it was clanking. I think that's some of my noise. The Konis shocks do have a much bigger end and a much bigger bolt, so I need to get all that done. But once that's all tightened down, I can go to the other side. But I just wanted to show y'all that real quick, the difference in the actual bushings themselves, being a cone and being just enough to fit through the hole to keep it from moving back and forth. Since I don't have a deep impact and a driver or anything like that, I've been using an open end. Take the vice grips, clamp it onto the stud itself, and kind of fold it over, so that way when you put these on and tighten it, that metal stays. Let's see how well this shows up on camera. I don't know how good it's going to show up, but Konis on this side, you can see the orange. Literally like immediate recovery. The side still has the shock, stock shock. You can hear it shaking like afterwards. Makes a noise and shakes, where that one, this side immediately recovers. This side has some bounce to it, so I'm hoping that's going to help me out some. So that's what the bushing look like. It pushes through the bottom, and then the top is concave, and that'll fit in there. Whereas the stock, or the replacement, these nice urethane ones, they just have the lip to fit right through there perfectly, and there's no movement. Well, both Konis are in. Got them sandwiched down pretty good. I sandwich down the top and the bottom, and I grab the shock and I shake it and see if I hear any rattle, and I do it until it's completely tight. Underneath, you can see I did get a little paint drug off the bottom from when I was trying to pull it underneath. Not a big deal. This is not a show car, but both sides are on and done and tight, and I am looking forward to seeing how this bad boy feels. Still loving my exhaust. I think I want to bring it up maybe half an inch, maybe an inch. Probably an inch would probably be good, but I'm going to get professional hangers welded on, or not professional, but you know, real hangers welded on, and when I do, I'll get him to bring it up about another inch from where it is now. Guys, look at that sunset coming in. Beautiful. Anyway, guys, I came down the road. This spot right up here by that white sign right there is really bad. And I'm ready to see how these new shocks feel in the back, because it used to bounce me. It used to bounce me pretty good. So you can see the road when we get to it right here, and oh wow, that was incredibly better. I can't even describe it. There was no bounce. It was just bump and then done. Before, I'd have like aftershakes. Now there's another one right up here where the mailbox is close to the road, and there's a big hole, and I'm gonna see if I can find that one and hit it. and see how it feels. But other than that, I am in love with these shocks, especially for $16 from the Junkyard from LKQ. Guys, don't be afraid to pull parts, test them out. It's not a lot of money. These are $120 for a pair new. I got them for $16 and they work way better than my 23-year-old stock shocks did. And yes, they was stock Motorcraft shocks from 1997. So I'm very happy about what I got, and the way it feels is phenomenal. I thought it was all in my head, so I had to go hit some bumps, and wow, I am very, very happy. I can't say it enough. Well, guys, we done run out of daylight, but can y'all see that nice sunset going on back there? That's the Halifax River behind us. The ocean is that way. So I'm covered both sides with just awesome stuff. But I hope y'all enjoy this. Like I said, this is just a little junkyard find for 16 bucks. I figure I couldn't go wrong, and I was absolutely right. So tell me what you guys think. Would you ever buy shocks or struts from the junkyard? I don't know. Turned out great for me. Thanks for watching. Let me know what y'all think. Please like, comment, subscribe.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with these 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't